Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're going to look at the comparative na Aidiachtaí, the words used to compare n-ainmfhocal. Make sure you've had a look at Aidiachtaí 1 and Inscne before taking a look at this though. There are 3 classifications in the comparative. First we have the bun came, which is the Aidiacht in its simplest form, for example, cuan, quiet. Next is the bresh came, which is the more of the comparative. To use the bresh came, the word níos comes before the Aidiacht, and an E is added to the end of the Aidiacht, like níos cuana, quieter. And finally, the sorchéim, which is the most of the comparative. To use the sorchéim, the word is comes before the Aidiacht, and an E is added to the end of the Aidiacht, like is cuana, quietest. But be careful, sometimes we have to slenderize or quailiater the end of the Aidiacht. This is when we add an I before the final consonant if the word doesn't end with a consonant quail. Mar hampla, bod ord, bod níos orge, bod is orge. And it wouldn't be Irish if there weren't a few exceptions. So here they are. If the Aidiacht ends with ACH, this changes to ai-fada. And if it ends with EACH, this changes to I-fada, like tábhachtach, níos tábhachtaí, is tábhachtaí. If the Aidiacht ends with AIOR, this changes to or-a, and if it ends with U-fada IL, this changes to U-fada LA, such as jacker, níos jackra, is jackra. Agus sinné.